Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time we installed the engine on the chassis, and today we're gonna continue with the build and put the harness back together. On this side we're gonna install our new starter, and the harness of the starter should go inside. So I got this Kitako starter because I had this problem before with the starter, the original starter. When you have this kind of pressure on the bike, the starter is become very it needs too much power to start the bike. Therefore, so I got an upgrade, the Kitako version, which is gonna solve this problem for sure. And I also purchased the Kitako cover, which is gonna give a very look good for the bike. And I also purchased from Takegawa ignition oil, because it's also better from the original. And here we have a Kitako ring for the ignition. This just to make it look better. And here I got the Kitako throttle control, because the original one, let's say it opens 100%. This, if you open with the throttle let's say half of the round, this will go full gas. Okay, and now we're gonna try to put the clutch cable. So here we have it. Let's install it, and it's also very easy to install. You just line this together, you get this one, put it inside, then this goes here, and only you have this adjustment here like this because that one was, and it's an aftermarket clutch, this one, sorry, so that's why I don't have a lot of adjustment, but this is good, and I have to do something about that noise. But now we have clutch and we have gas. Okay, this one is bent down. We need just to get a little bit up and bit to this side. So we're gonna use this. Now let's put this one on the other side. Now we need to make sure that these two are in the same line. So we're gonna measure the first one and do the same for the second and make sure that they're all line up together the same height. Just for now, I'm gonna put this here so I don't lose it, but we're not gonna install it like this. We need to put some kind of sort of glue just to make it doesn't slide, but I just want to put it just so I don't lose it. Okay, so let's torque these ones. Now let's torque these two. Now let's torque this one now. And now we're gonna change the spark plug.
And here we have an iridium one. And here we have the license plate.
And this license plate is from Yoshimura.
We can put now the battery. So let's open this one. So this part is, let's say, it's like the front stay that holds everything together. The headlight, the fairings, the speedometer, so if I'm not mistaken, this one will be like this. Let me just take it. If this goes like this, let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I think one is gonna be here and the other one's gonna be in the gas tank. But let me check and get back to you. So yes, exactly what I said. The spacer is gonna be on the right side. And this is how it must look like. Here we remove the axe of the gas tank. And this one should go with everything under, and it should go like this. Now we put the second spacer. I'll try to put it from here. So now we're gonna put these rubbers for the speedometer, and this side goes up. Now let's tighten these two. And these two, they will go here to hold the tail light. Now let's put this tail light. And here we have the washers. Can put them here. So I bought these carbon covers that gonna cover here. So I have the short one that will go here, but this one is a bit longer. So let's measure and cut so it fits better. Now let's cut the other one.
So what I did here is I take some zip tie and put shrink, which is the things that you put for electricity, just to give, because the look of the zip tie is not very nice, to be honest, and this just give it a little bit of, let's say, modern thing maybe, and it looks way better than just putting a raw zip tie.
I mean, I don't mind this gap here because again, this will be covered. If for some reason it was showing, I will get the longer one to make it look nicer. So I have done this twice, and let's hope I don't do it again. So I have a piece of glove, and I'm just putting a little bit of oil. Let's hope that this time gonna be the last time for the seal. Got it from Honda. Let's hope this time works, because I'm very sick of this. It's like putting a small condom and hoping that you stay virgin. did it. Okay. Should be just a little bit of pressure. So here we have our new Kitako's front sprocket. And this one should go like this. Now let's open this. If you know, you know.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoy my build. Sorry if my videos is a bit long, and I'm still new with YouTube thing and the camera. I'm still getting used to it. I hope you enjoy. I'm just trying to show you guys how to do stuff, and how it's, or if you just like to watch how bikes build. And thank you so much.